Hello and welcome to Apna Patshala, the one-stop solution for your learning needs. We at Apna Patshala provide you with the live interactive classes which enables you to comprehend the concepts even better and clearly. My name is Dhruv and I am here to teach you about a very important topic in biology, that is infectious and non-infectious disease. Let's get right into it. Let us write our topic, that is infectious and non-infectious diseases, right? Non-infectious diseases. Okay. Now, we all know how are these two terms different from each other. Well, infectious is only infectious and non-infectious has a non before that word. Well, this is not the only difference. Let me tell you, there is a major difference why we call and why we differentiate these diseases. And that, my dear friends, is none other than a pathogen. Okay, pathogen can cause a disease which is infectious, and non-infectious diseases, on the other hand, cannot be included in with a pathogen. That means that non-infectious diseases do not require a pathogen to be caused. Simple. Now you will ask, sir, what are these pathogens? Simple. Let me tell you pathogens. Best example, COVID-19 running in the country, right? What is that due to? Virus. Virus? Yes, that is a pathogen. Bacteria. Bacteria? Yes, that is also a pathogen. What else? Fungi. Yes, pathogen. Worms. Pathogen. And the list goes on. These, my dear friends, are pathogens. And if any of these is a reason for causing disease into your human body, we call or we term that disease as an infectious disease. Right? Now you'll ask, sir, if you're telling pathogens can cause a disease known as infectious disease, then how are non-infectious disease different from them if there are no pathogens? Well, here is the answer. Pathogens are not only required to cause a disease. Diseases can also be caused without a pathogen. And what are they? They can be your various diseases of deficiency. For example, let me take first and very simple example, that is vitamin A deficiency. Suppose I am having a deficiency of vitamin A. What will be the cause? What will happen to me? Yes, night blindness. Night blindness occurs, and that is also a disease, my dear friends, which is not caused by a virus, by a bacteria, by a fungi or your worms, protozoa, any pathogens. No pathogens are causing this vitamin A deficiency in me. So here we can tell you that no pathogen is required in the causing of non-infectious disease. Second best example, your metabolic disorders, diabetes. Yes, most of the people in this world suffer from this disease, diabetes. And yes, yet again, no bacteria, no virus, no fungi, and no worms are causing this disease. This is purely due to the body's metabolic disorders. Yes, so we can write metabolic disease. That is the second example. What is the third example we can give? Third example, very best, that is degenerative neuron disease. Degenerative diseases. Which are these degenerative diseases, my dear friends? Yes, you have heard of Alzheimer's disease. That is a classic example of degenerative disease, or we can say demyelinative disease. Okay, we are done with the non-infectious part. Sir, you explained only pathogens of infectious part. You didn't give any examples. Well, wait. Here I am. I'll give you the examples right away. Okay, infectious disease. What are the examples we can say? Again, they are divided into two parts. First one is contagious, and the second one is non-contagious. Okay, just small correction, right? Contagious and non-contagious. Now how can you differ them? Contagious diseases are meant to be spreaded. Yes, they can spread from one person to other person. Yes, they can be spread. For example, let us take a best example. Okay, this is person A over here. Okay, let me zoom it over here. Person A and person B. Person B is infected with COVID-19. If person A and B come in contact, they meet, they shake hands, they have a little hugging session, yes, and then they go home. Do you think person A will still, go as a healthy person when he is going home? Well, no, because my dear friends, COVID-19 is a classic example of a contagious disease. Yes, contagious disease, because the person B can, it can definitely spread this disease to person A. And that is why we term this as a contagious disease. Simple? Yes. Now let us come back to the same example and explain what are non-contagious disease. Okay. What are non-contagious disease? For example, here we have person A and person B again. Now person B on the other hand, instead of having COVID-19 is having cancer. Cancer? Yes. Again they meet, shake hands, have a little hugging session, yes, and then they go their parts away and they go home. Do you still think that person A will also be, will be getting cancer or will be infected with cancer by person B? No, no, sir. The answer is no, because classic example for non-contagious disease is cancer. Right? So these are the examples that we can, learn and understand the main and important topic about. Yes, what is the topic about? Topic is about infectious disease. Right. So, my dear friends, this was just a little part from my side that I tried to explain you, and trust me, there is more to come. There is more and many other, concepts and chapters waiting for you to be, learned from me. And this is only possible if you joined Apna Patshala. Well, my friends, during this pandemic situation, the students didn't have a chance to learn the concepts of their previous academic year. But do not worry. Apna Patshala introduced a very good course, that is Bridge Course, Apna Bridge Course, to facilitate you and to revise the contents of your previous academic years. The students of 8th, 9th and 10th, the 3 grade students, can enroll for the Apna Bridge Course. Here you will be taught important chapters of the topics of the previous academic years respectively. Yes, and Apna Bridge Course will help you to learn and revise the important concepts, my dear students, that you missed out due to the pandemic. And Apna Patshala offers this course at a very, very great discounted price. Let me show you with a demonstration. Yes, we have 3 classes 8th, 9th and 10th. The subscription price for standard 8th to join Apna Patshala is just 199 rupees. This is the cheapest and with a heavy discount available only for you. Subscription price for 9th standard is only 299 per student, and for 10th is only 399 per student. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Yes, don't miss this offer. This offer is for a limited time, so hurry up and also subscribe to Apna Patshala YouTube channel, and here I am waiting for you to come and join to become a family of Apna Patshala. Thank you.